To fix a white screen on an Android phone, it's essential to understand the potential causes. A white screen can be the result of a software glitch, a battery problem, or a loose or dirty LCD connector cable. To resolve these issues, start by restarting the phone, which can often resolve software glitches. This can be done by pressing and holding the power button for a few seconds until the phone restarts, or by pressing and holding the power and volume up buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. If the issue persists, check the battery by turning off the phone, removing the back cover, and pulling out the battery. Wait for a few seconds before reinserting the battery and turning the phone back on. Another potential solution is to check the LCD connector cable. A white screen may be caused by a loose or damaged LCD connector. So turn off the phone, remove the back cover and battery, and then unlock and remove the LCD connector cable. Clean any dirt accumulation with a clean cloth. Then lock the cable back in place, ensuring it's firm. Reinsert the battery and power on the phone. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a white screen on your Android phone.